Premiere Pro is a professional-grade video editing software developed by Adobe, tailored for filmmakers, video editors, and content creators seeking advanced editing tools and seamless workflows. At its core, Premiere Pro offers a comprehensive range of editing features and functionalities. Its intuitive interface and timeline-based editing system enable users to import, arrange, and edit video clips, audio, and other media seamlessly. One of Premiere Pro's strengths lies in its powerful video editing capabilities. Users can perform various tasks such as trimming, cutting, merging, and arranging clips with precision. The software supports a wide range of video formats and resolutions, including high definition and even professional cinema formats. Premiere Pro includes a robust set of tools for color grading and correction, enabling users to manipulate colors, apply filters, and create visually stunning effects. Its integration with Adobe's Lumetri Color panel offers professional-level color adjustments and grading options. The software's audio editing features allow for comprehensive audio manipulation, including adjusting levels, applying effects, and working with multiple audio tracks. Additionally, Premiere Pro integrates seamlessly with Adobe's Audition for more advanced audio editing tasks. Premiere Pro's dynamic link functionality within the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem allows for smooth integration with other Adobe software like After Effects and Photoshop. This integration streamlines the editing process, enabling users to create complex visual effects, graphics, and animations directly within their video projects. While Premiere Pro offers a wealth of features and functionalities, mastering its full potential may require some learning for beginners. However, Adobe provides extensive tutorials, resources, and a supportive community to aid users in learning and maximizing their editing skills. In summary, Adobe Premiere Pro stands as a powerhouse in video editing software, offering a wide array of tools, professional-grade features, and seamless integration within the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem. Its versatility, advanced editing capabilities, and robust workflow make it an industry-standard choice for video editing professionals.